Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Shopify store theme. To begin, access your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, locate Online Store on the left-hand menu, then click on Themes. This section is your central hub, displaying your current live theme and providing direct access to the theme library, where you can explore and manage all available options for your shop, whether free or paid. Once you have chosen a theme, click Add Theme to bring it into your library, but do not publish it immediately. Instead, select Customize to open the theme editor. Here, you can visually adjust colors, fonts, and the layout of various sections, seeing all changes in real time. Take your time to explore and refine the design, ensuring it perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic before it goes live. After you have customized your chosen theme to your satisfaction, navigate back to the Themes section in your admin. You will see the new theme listed under Theme Library. To make it your active storefront, click the Actions button next to it and then select Publish. Confirm your decision, and your store will instantly reflect the new design, providing a fresh look for your customers. Always ensure your new theme is fully responsive and looks excellent across mobile phones, tablets, and desktop computers. Thoroughly test all pages, including product listings and checkout, on various devices to guarantee a seamless customer experience. For added safety, consider duplicating your current live theme before making substantial changes, providing a convenient backup if you ever need to revert to a previous design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.